Welcome to today's exciting challenge. Are you ready to transform your body and shed that stubborn belly fat in just 10 days? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to take you through a series of powerful fat-burning workouts specifically designed to target your belly area. But here's the thing, these exercises aren't just any regular workouts. They are scientifically backed, high-intensity moves that will not only help you burn belly fat fast, but also boost your metabolism and tone your entire body. Now, if you think that losing belly fat is impossible or takes forever, think again. This 10-day challenge will prove that with the right mindset and commitment, you can start seeing real results. But hold on, this isn't just about working out. It's about understanding how to maximize your efforts and how you can continue on this journey after the challenge is over. So, whether you're a beginner or someone who's already been working out but struggling with stubborn belly fat, stay tuned because this video will give you the tools you need to transform your midsection and jumpstart a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive into the full 10-day belly fat challenge. Before we get into the workouts, let me ask you this. What would it feel like to finally see that flat belly you've always wanted? To look in the mirror after just 10 days and notice a noticeable difference in your waistline? Imagine how much more confident and energized you would feel. Well, that's exactly what we're aiming for. It's not magic, it's science, and it's all about staying consistent. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and see some real changes? Because we're about to get started, and trust me, you're going to love what's coming. Now, let's kick things off with the first workout, which is all about engaging your core muscles, burning calories, and setting the tone for the rest of the challenge. Let me tell you this, the next 10 days will require you to push yourself to the limit. But here's the catch, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to show up, give it your best shot, and stay committed. You might be thinking, can I really lose belly fat in just 10 days? And the answer is yes, but only if you put in the work. So, no more doubts. It's time to take control of your fitness and say goodbye to those extra inches around your waist. The first exercise we're doing is mountain climbers. This is a full body exercise, but it really targets the core, especially the lower belly. Start in a high plank position with your arms straight, making sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch and bring the other knee in. Repeat as fast as you can. Mountain climbers will raise your heart rate, burn fat, and engage your abdominal muscles. You'll be sweating in no time, but that's exactly what we want, fat burning in full swing. Do this for 45 seconds and rest for 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. You'll feel your belly tightening and your metabolism kicking into gear. This exercise is fantastic for jump-starting your body's fat-burning process, and it's one of the key moves for losing belly fat fast. Next up, we're moving into Russian twists. This move is perfect for targeting those obliques and chiseling your waist. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground, balancing on your sit bones. Hold your hands together in front of you and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, tapping the ground with your hands as you go. Focus on using your core to twist, not just your arms. The more controlled the movement, the better. This will sculpt your belly and give you that sleek, toned look. Do 20 reps on each side and repeat for 3 sets. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, you'll feel the burn after just a few reps. And that's exactly what you want, because that's how your body burns belly fat. Now, I know some of you might be thinking that these exercises seem tough. But here's the thing, if it were easy, everyone would have a flat belly, right? The truth is, challenges like these are what make the results so rewarding. You're not just doing exercises, you're taking control of your health. And in just 10 days, when you see those results, it's going to feel like the best decision you've ever made. So don't quit now, we're just getting started. Now let's keep moving with bicycle crunches, one of the most effective exercises to target your entire core and really hone in on those love handles. Lie on your back and bring your legs up, bent at a 90-degree angle. Place your hands behind your head, and as you extend your left leg, twist your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Then switch sides, extending your right leg and bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Keep alternating as fast as you can while maintaining control over your movements. This exercise is amazing for engaging your abs and burning fat simultaneously. Do 20 reps on each side and rest for 15 seconds between sets. Try to push yourself through each set and focus on keeping your core tight. You'll definitely start to feel it in your belly area. So, are you ready to take your workout to the next level? Because here's something that many people overlook. Belly fat isn't just about the exercises you do, it's also about intensity. The faster you move, the more calories you burn. And here's a little secret. Doing these exercises in a circuit, without long breaks, will increase your calorie burn and melt fat faster. This is where you need to dig deep and push yourself, because the faster you go, the more you'll see results. Are you in? Because we're about to bring in the next challenge. Next, we'll focus on plank jacks. This exercise will challenge your core while also getting your heart rate up. Start in a regular plank position with your body in a straight line and your hands directly under your shoulders. Now, jump your feet out to the sides and back in like a jumping jack, while keeping your body as still as possible. This movement works wonders for your belly fat by engaging both your core and your cardiovascular system. Try for 30 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. You'll feel your core firing up as you go. This exercise is simple, but it will leave you feeling sweaty and accomplished. Now, let's pause for a second. Imagine yourself after 10 days stronger, leaner, and feeling fantastic in your own skin. The belly fat you've struggled with is melting away, and your confidence is soaring. That vision is within your reach, but only if you stick with it. So, stay focused, keep pushing through the challenge, and remember that every second you spend working out is bringing you closer to your goals. You've got this. For our next exercise, we're doing leg raises. This movement targets the lower abs, which is usually the toughest area to tone. Lie flat on your back, keeping your legs straight. Slowly lift both legs toward the ceiling, engaging your core, then lower them back down without letting your feet touch the ground. Focus on squeezing your abs with every lift. It might be tough, but the results are so worth it. Do 20 reps, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat for 3 sets. This one will really help tighten your belly and flatten your lower abs. You've come so far already. We're almost at the finish line of the challenge. Just think about the progress you've already made and how good you're going to feel at the end of these 10 days. Your belly will feel tighter, your energy will be higher, and you'll have the confidence to show off the new you. Just a few more days of hard work and consistency, and you'll be amazed at how much you've achieved. You've now completed a powerful, fat-burning workout routine. That will help you slim down belly fat and get closer to your goal of a toned, flat stomach. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat this 10-day challenge, or even continue mixing these exercises into your regular routine. But don't stop now. Keep pushing yourself, because the results are worth every drop of sweat. Thanks for joining me on this challenge. If you're excited about your progress, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to the channel for more fitness challenges like this. Keep pushing yourself, stay committed, and I'll see you in the next workout.